When working in teams, things sometimes fall through the cracks. Building information modeling software, or BIM, is designed to give you and your team a collaborative platform to improve productivity, save costs, and streamline your work process. This may be news to you, but BIM software has been making considerable improvements to the global construction sector. Large-scale facilities are implementing this new digital system, with certain countries, like the UK, mandating BIM software for all government construction projects. The benefit of this solution is that it allows everyone to add to the same model in one shared location, with automatic and precise updates to the model, as well as alerts for potential clashes for streamlined problem solving. Easy mistakes to make in construction include poor coordination, failure to detect errors, and miscommunication or disconnect between stakeholders and teams. These digital solutions are designed to minimize your risk of falling into one of these traps by providing the most comprehensive industrial design possible. BIM software can do wonders for your compliance regulations by providing accurate information for permit applications and enabling plan reviews, as well as remote progress, walkthroughs, and inspections, all using the same 3D model. By providing a realistic and holistic view of a project, BIM models can also help you to catch any mistakes or make changes to designs before construction is underway, saving on costly reworkings. Virtual reality is often used in conjunction with building information modeling software to help you better understand complex projects. Virtual reality, or VR, software is used to create immersive 3D environments useful for training or product prototyping. In the design process, VR can give your team, contractors, or clients the opportunity to physically walk through your plans and get a real-life idea of what the project will look like. There are many options to explore when considering adopting building information modeling software and VR technology. For example, BIM HoloView and Microsoft have developed Revit HoloView, a software that brings 3D Autodesk Revit models to life, using the latest in mixed reality technology and the HoloLens wearable smart glasses. There are plenty of other software tools available to help meet your construction needs, such as cloud-based solutions to facilitate project delivery from early-stage design through to construction. A great place to start is to talk to your network. Find out what they are using. Whether you're in architecture, engineering, or construction, there are platform collections that can offer support in document management, design modeling, and collaboration tools. To create a high-quality, high-performing building and infrastructure design with conceptual and detailed design tools, you need to find the tools that work best for your business. Vendors to consider include redcrater.co.nz, Microsoft HoloLens, Autodesk Construction Cloud, N8, Procore, Urbist, Abstract BIM, Revit, Inventor, ActCAD, Oracle Aconex, or ArchiCAD. A software analysis tool like capterra.co.nz can also provide you with valuable insights into how users rate different products. Explore Digital Boost to make the most of our online resources. We have real-world stories sourced straight from the industry, as well as a helpful support team ready to address your questions and concerns.